If you're building a cabinet or bookcase with fixed shelves, it's hard to beat dado joints for strength and ease of assembly. Trouble is, cutting a tight-fitting dado isn't as simple as it might seem. A classic example is when you're working with 3/4 inch plywood, which isn't actually 3/4 of an inch thick. It's usually a bit thinner, but the actual thickness can vary. That means you'll need to make multiple passes with a smaller bit and mess with multiple setups. If you're off by even a little, you'll end up with a loose joint that can wreck the appearance and compromise the structural integrity of your project. Rockler has a solution to those challenges, the Perfect Fit Dado Jig. It works with your router and the popular all-in-one clamp guides to allow you to cut a precise dado of any size from 1/2 to 1 inch with a 1/2 inch bit, 1 setup, and 2 passes of your router. Just follow the included instructions to position the clamp guide on your workpiece and set the jig for the dado width you need. You're ready to cut your dado. Fit the fixed side of the jig in the channel of the clamp guide and make your first pass. The lip and channel design ensures that the router won't wander, guaranteeing a perfect cut. For your second pass, rotate the router and jig and make the cut to widen the dado. The result is a dado sized precisely to fit your stock. And with that single setup, you're ready to cut a whole bookcase worth of matching dados. The durable base has been pre-drilled with a 3-hole pattern to fit many common routers and can be drilled to fit others. And it works with any length of all-in-one clamp guide.
Woodpecker's new coping sled is simply the best tool for woodworkers to use when making rail-and-style doors, tenons, lap joints, and most other end grain cuts. So how does the Woodpecker coping sled ensure that your stock is perfectly square to your router fence, holds down your stock securely, provides quick and easy setup and repeatability and safe operation? Your coping sled starts with a large 11.5 inch by 11.5 inch by 3/8 of an inch thick phenolic base, which will accommodate stock up to 5.5 inches wide and 1.5 inches thick. Then add a 16-inch aluminum fence positioned perfectly square to the edge of the sled base. Now add the phenolic top plate, sliding it towards your stock to lock it against the fence, forcing the stock to stay square throughout the cutting operation. Now let's add the dual track top tracks and clamping beam. This design gives you positioning flexibility and extreme hold down force, and allows positioning of 2 massive hold down clamps anywhere along the width of the stock, making it easy to position the clamps dead center over your stock. Finally, the fence guide. Place your sled 3/4 of an inch from the fence, then slide the fence guide against it. That's it. The clear fence guide provides visibility and allows the sled to track along the fence rather than the miter slot. And since Woodpecker's coping sled has no disposable parts to replace, like other sleds do, the only thing you'll have to provide is whatever scrap you have laying around the shop. He uses a backer board to prevent tear out. And with the new optional extended fence guide, cutting tenons and lap joints with a perfect finish is now a breeze. Whether it's rail and style doors, tenons, lap joints, or other end grain cuts, the Woodpecker's coping sled makes your job easier, and that's the bottom line.
Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the dowel press, makes it easy to make perfect dowels for either decorative through dowel or blind joinery. And you can make them in numerous sizes in any wood species from ash to zebra wood. You don't even need a power tool. Think about it. Our dowel press opens limitless design and creative possibilities with exposed dowel joinery. Alternately, you can conveniently make regular hardwood dowels from scraps right in your shop. With the dowel press, you'll never run out of dowels in the middle of a project. Whether you need beefy dowels for stout furniture joints or small ones for more delicate applications, the dowel press has you covered. You can make smooth 3/4 inch dowels and smooth or fluted dowels in 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/4 inch sizes. If you want to make metric size dowels, our metric kit makes 10, 8, 6, and 5 mm sizes. With Woodpecker's dowel press, there's no muss, no fuss, just perfect size dowels. That's because the dowel press comes with 16 precision machine dies. These dies are made from A2 steel that's heat treated to a Rockwell hardness of 60 C. The heavy cutting edge is machined at a 90-degree angle and will provide long-lasting high performance before getting dull. When sharpening is required, simply rub the flat die surface in a circular motion on a sharpening stone. Any tool or machine user knows first quality always starts with solid construction and ends with fine detailing. You won't be disappointed with our dowel press. This aluminum and steel beast measures 15.5 inches by 2 7/8 inches by 4 5/8 inches tall and weighs in at about 10 pounds. The 5/8 inch diameter Acme threaded screw travels through an oilless bearing for years of maintenance-free use. Woodpecker's dowel press comes with all 16 interchangeable dies in imperial sizes, laser engraved with decimal sizes, and includes finished size dies for smooth 3/4 inch dowels and smooth and fluted dowels for 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/4 inch sizes. Or choose our 16-piece millimeter die kit to produce 5, 6, 8, and 10 millimeter sizes. Or you can order an add-on millimeter kit for the inch size dies that includes the 5, 6, 8, and 10 millimeter dies. All die sets come in a protective case with custom-cut foam interiors. If you're looking to take your dowel joinery to the next level, or you're a DIY type of guy, Woodpecker's dowel press will open limitless design and creative possibilities using exotic wood species with exposed dowel joinery to make your next woodworking project extraordinary.
The Woodpecker shelf pin template is CNC machined from 3/8 thick phenolic material with 3/8 diameter holes that are compatible with most shelf pin drill guides and 3/8 router guide bushings. The shelf pin template is easy to use. It comes with 6 referencing pins, 3/4 inch and 3 5mm. One side is for inch spaced holes with 3 setbacks, 1.5 inch, 2 inch, and 2.5 inch. Flip it over and it's metric with 32mm spaced holes and one setback of 37mm. Let's drill some holes using the snappy shelf pin guide and our setback at 1.5 inches. The shelf pin template is symmetrical, so you rotate it to the back edge of your board and both sets of holes will line up perfectly. Now that was quick and easy, and the spacing of the holes looks great. Now let's use a 3/8 router guide bushing and plunge router with a 1/4 inch downcut spiral bit with a setback of 2 inches. For doing fine woodworking, this method will give you perfect holes.
Time spent on decks should be a time of peace and relaxation, not time spent looking at all the problems. Warped boards, split ends, and nails or screws popping up. Traditional built decks, constructed with nails or screws driven through the face of the board, cause not only eyesores, but they can be dangerous as well. Now the Craig Deck Jig System puts a brand new angle on an old approach to building decks. Utilizing tools and basic skills that you already have, this concealed fastener system allows you to build a beautiful, long-lasting deck you have always wanted. Combining the strength and durability of face screwing with proven pocket hole technology to hide the fasteners, this system is the perfect 1-2 punch for a deck that is simple to build, gorgeous, and safe. The core of the Craig Deck Jig System is its solid metal drill guides, which allow you to drill holes and drive screws at the precise angle and perfect depth time after time. The angle of the guides not only hide the screws on the edge of the board, but are optimal for maximum holding power, while the screw depth is precisely controlled, which eliminates overdriving and blowing out the board, or underdriving, leaving exposed fasteners and loose boards. This process is made fast and worry-free by the included depth collars on both the driver bit and drill bit that are set using the gauges molded right on the jig. Once set, just drill the hole, load the screw, and drive it home. The Craig Deck Jig is equipped with 3 drill guides, a center guide, and 2 angle guides. Using the center guide in the center of the joist allows for the most holding power, while the angle guides provide you flexibility by going where the center guide cannot, such as spliced or obstructed ends. The fasteners themselves are specifically designed for use with the Craig Deck Jig, featuring a deep KTX square drive that gives you solid driver engagement, which means no cam-outs, self-tapping tip for fast, easy driving, and they are built from case-hardened steel to eliminate bending or breaking. These screws can also be used as face screws for a variety of outdoor projects. Available in ProTech coat and stainless steel finishes. Choose which one is right for your application.